Good afternoon, good afternoon. Akshavi Trends, good afternoon. Good afternoon all, welcome to Akshavi Trends family. Hi Ranjini Vinayagam, it's too long time. பார்க்கவே இல்லை உங்களை. நித்தி ஹேமா, ஹாய், தேங்க்யூ, சூப்பரா, சூப்பர் டூப்பர். ஹாய் சங்கீதா, ஹாய் சத்யா கார்த்திக், தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். ஹாய் மலர் சுப்ரியா, ஹாய் கவிதா சதீஷ், ஹாய் நிருப்பமா ஷாம். ப்ளவுஸ் சூப்பரா, தேங்க்யூ. இட்ஸ் ஆல்மோஸ்ட் அ மந்த் சாரியே கட்டல. மம்தா மேம், ஜெயந்தி பாலமுருகன், நிருப்பமா ஷாம், மலர் சுப்ரியா, வெல்கம் ஆல் டு அக்ஷவி ட்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ஃபேமிலி. ஹசீனா முல்லா, హాయ్ సాటర్డే శ్యామ్ గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ కవిత, థ్యాంక్ యూ గాయత్రి, థ్యాంక్ యూ నక్షత్ర కళ్యాణ్, సీతలక్ష్మి శక్తి, హాయ్ పా. So almost 60 viewers irkinga, right? I know everyone is supporting Akshavi Trends for the jewelry collection. I love you people. Share my page in any groups, in your page. It will be very very helpful for us. Not only for us, we are supporting so many people in the selling to you. Whatever you wear, it suits you very well. Oh Apriya, thank you Krishna Priya, Gopakumar, Maria, thank you. So share my page. Why no response in WhatsApp? Sita Lakshmi ma'am, let me know what was your requirement. I will reply after the live. Okay? So don't miss to share the page. Keep sharing the page. Okay? So today live there is beautiful collection of bangles, Navratnam sets, pendants, and few different colors, 2-layer art chem sets. Very pretty and budget friendly, that too. It's very very awesome pieces. We will see in today WhatsApp. And today I am planning to do small video evening also for beautiful studs. Okay, so stay tuned for a beautiful live studs collections. Hi, okay Sita Lakshmi Shakti ma'am. Dora Cruz ma'am, what special? Today pendant sets and all. Ma'am, today or tomorrow we will be dispatching the stock. Okay, today actually we are off. Hi Bala Jyoti Selvam. If you are new to Akshavi Trends, kindly give that message you are new to Akshavi Trends. Okay. Sasi Sunita, good afternoon. Hi Salungama. Padma Shakti, hi, super. Thank you Padma. Thank you so much. So in live and one more thing I'm repeatedly telling, we don't exchange any products. Nariya perku theriyum. If you are new to Akshavi Trends, I'm again telling, open video is must. Ning open video enakku anupunga. If there is any transit damages, for sure 100% we will exchange the product if there is a transit damages. Once ninga select panni, if you are given to you, it is not been exchanged. We are telling in so many videos, and no COD option is there. We have GPay, Phone Pay, online transfer and all, and nariya colors of mask we have got. This so many were asking for the mask. Na inge misplace panniten pola mask. I have got nice colors in this type of mask. Na kaatirnen illaya, நிறைய வீடியோஸ்ல காட்டியிருந்தேன் இந்த மாஸ்க். We have back in stock. You can book immediately. I have got different beautiful colors. Beautiful colors in kalamkari prints. This is a beautiful mask. You have to wear like this. See. It is a beautiful mask. You have to wear like this. It is not only for summer. It is not only for summer. This is very safe for COVID also. இதுல நிறைய prints இருக்கு. Whoever wants, just message me 7339588688. 7339588688. You just message me. I will send you the prints available. There are a lot of prints available in kalamkari, all Jaipur cotton. This is safe for COVID also. You can wear your mask. You can wear your mask. You can wear your mask, and upon that, if you use if someone coughs when you're traveling in the bus or outside, இப்போ நிறைய பேர் கார்ல வந்து மாஸ்க் போட முடியல ஃபேமிலியோட போகும்போது நினைக்கிறீங்க, that time you can use this. It is very safe. So you are safe with this mask. It is washable. This is a 2-layer. Front side is a 2-layer. It is pakka washable. It is suitable for all the age of kids and elders. Same piece, kids and elders can use it. I have got different prints. I have missed somewhere. I have kept it. I cannot go and bring back. So you can book now. This is 7339588688. This is very useful. Even you can gift your loved ones. Nice bigger pattern with adjustment velcros. You can wash in a washing machine. It is almost washed 60 to 75 times. நான் வந்து ஒரு 75 தாட்டியாவது வாஷ் பண்ணியிருப்பேன். At least 75 times I might have washed. I have got 2 pieces, so I use regularly whenever I go into wheeler. It is very safe. You can put your mask. I'll just show you. Wait. This is very safer. You can put your mask like this. See, this is very safe when you're driving. You can go with this mask like this. See, இப்படி போடும்போது you are very safe. You are very safe. You are very safe with this. You can buy it. You can adjust according to your needs. This only 2 eyes will be seen. This is, we have got multiple pieces irukku, nariya pieces irukku. We are monopoly. You can get with us. This is for 200 plus shipping. You can buy it 10-20 pieces. Mask is mustinga. COVID 100%. I hold my mask in all the places therima badrama, because the spread is more. We have to be very careful. Please stay away. Social distancing maintain பண்ணுங்க. And I am planning to do lot of activities in coming weeks for you people. Post covidsல எப்படி நீங்க உங்க உடம்ப மெயின்டைன் பண்ணணும் அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு 1 minute. Okay. So post covidல என்ன பண்ணணும், beauty tips, இது எல்லாமே Akshvi Trends viewers I am planning to bring lot of activities in coming weeks. Like evenings-ல ஒரு live பண்ணலாம்னு இருக்கேன். உங்களுக்கு எப்படி face resume என்ன பண்ணணும், உங்களை எப்படி நீங்க பார்த்துக்கணும். I am coming with lot of activities in next week. Other than Akshvi Trends live, we will have beautiful session, self caring, self pampering, chinna makeup tips and all. I'm planning for the next week, because again the lockdown is continued in Salem. So I thought I will give one of the best, something very new to the customers. Okay, so stay tuned. Naale kuda one irukkalam. I will post it very shortly about tomorrow's program. Okay, tomorrow's program we'll go for the live. So inniki first product I'm going to show you, very pretty Navratnam set, very classy and budget friendly. 1090. 1090 ma. 1090, very pretty. You will get blue, yellow sapphire, pink ruby and corals, emeralds and all. Blue sapphire. This is very pretty. 1090. You will get beautiful earrings. This is with the corals, few drops of golden balls with 6 stones, center blue color stone. Very nice. elegant. I will just wear and show you. See, very pretty and trendy. Very pretty and trendy. See, it's awesome. You can wear for any close necks, எல்லாத்துக்குமே wear பண்ணிக்கலாம். அவ்வளோ பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். It's very flexible. You can use with the rope. It is very nice. See how pretty it is. 1090. 1090. I've got 2 pieces in this. I will show you in back camera. I will show you in back camera. Very, very, very elegant piece. See, very elegant. You can see the flowers, 6 stone. Each flower has got different colors. It is blue sapphire, blue color, corals, yellow color. You can see it. Very, very pretty. You will get beautiful earrings for this. Beautiful earrings for this. This is the earrings with the golden balls. Very pretty. 1090 rupees. 1090. I will show you in the back camera. See, 1090. Very, very pretty. You can use it for all the costumes, even for nice salwars, nice kurtis and all. You can wear this. See, very, very pretty. This is for 1090 rupees. 1090. 1090. 1090. You can book it. I've got 2 pieces in this. Very, 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 very pretty. The piece which I'm wearing, it comes with the matching earrings. It comes with the matching earrings. It is a fantastic piece. It is nice quality. You will get it. It is a tilagam shape with 6 stone flowers and all. See. Very beautiful piece. This is for 1090. 1090. So don't miss to share the page. All your gifts will be dispatched next week without fail, and I'll give you the tracking number for all your gifts. Okay, so don't worry. Whoever shared for a week, they will get a beautiful and surprise gift from Akshavi Trends. 1 meter of designer blouse fabric. 1 meter of designer blouse fabric. Okay, so stay tuned. Don't miss it. You can keep on sharing the page. You will be keep on getting the gifts. You can keep sharing the page every week and post me the screenshot. You will get the gifts every week whenever you share for a 1 week. Okay, so no worries. You will get all the gifts when the lockdown is released. So next beautiful set, Navratnam set you are going to get. It is very pretty. This is a gold polish, very beautiful gold polish with nice tilagam shape and all. You will get in all colors. This is with all Navratnam colors. It is a very traditional design with the pendant pattern. This is the earpiece. 1890 rupees. 1890 rupees. This has got no god, no animals, urvam and all. It is a plain traditional design. 1890 rupees. This is adjustable back chain. You will get it with the adjustable back chain. You will get it. This will come this much. இந்த அளவுக்கு வரும். இங்க பாருங்க. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. You will get it with beautiful earrings. This is the earrings with Navratnam stone, small Chandbali pattern with 3 pearls. This is the pendant, but sorry, this has got a small peacocks on 2 sides. Full Navratnam, pink color and all, corals, blue sapphire, yellow sapphire, pearls, ellame irukku Navratnam stones. Very pretty and very bold look. You will get like addigai finishing. அப்படியே அட்டிக ஃபினிஷிங் மாதிரியே இருக்கும். Muniraj, Kalavati, Meena Hemant, I have booked Meena curry chain and waiting for the courier. Okay ma'am, sure. Nandini, Padma, hi, Sai Sunita, sorry. Yep. This is in the back camera, you can see. Very pretty finishing, 1890 rupees. $1,890. You will get very pretty, nice Chandbali pattern earrings. This is the set. This is the back finishing. You will get with the adjustable back chain. Very beautiful and bold look. 1890 rupees. 1890 rupees. This pearls are all very pretty, and that chain which comes on the sides, right, it's awesome. Very beautiful. This is the earrings. Earrings is very stylish and elegant piece. So this is for 1890 rupees. So next, coming with the Navratnam pendant, most loved Navratnam pendant. It is like real stones. These are the real stones, Navratnam pendant. I think for Diwali we showed this. Again we have restocked this. So many inquired about this pendant. 3200. This is all real Navratnam stones. You will get beautiful screw back earring. This is the earrings. Beautiful screw back earring. You will get it. Very pretty. 3200. I will show you in the back camera. See. This is the pendant. All real stones. All real stones, corals, pearls, yellow sapphire, blue sapphire and all. This is a premium quality. You can use with any ball chain or customized beads collection and all. This is for 3200. 3200. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Very pretty. 3200 with the earrings. This is the earpiece. Earpiece. These are the all precious stones. These are the very pretty stones. You will get golden ball with the screw back, like a golden polish screw back. Screw back. This is the pendant. Very pretty and lovely piece. 3200. I have got 2-3 pieces in this. Pretty piece. See. You can wear with any gold chain or ball chain and all. It is awesome. Complete gold look. It's a very pretty and trending piece. You can wear with any, even in a tube chain. You can wear with the tube chain and all. It will be pretty. Tube chain oda போட்டினா அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கும். ரொம்ப pretty-ஆ இருக்கும். This is the screw type. Screw type. You can book it. Screw type. Next, coming with the beautiful bangles. 4 bangles 790. 4 bangles 790. You will get with an diamond finish. Tube bangles mari vandittu. You will get nice American diamond stones. 790. I've got all the sizes. All the sizes 790, but only limited pieces I've got. 790. This is 2/8 size. This is 2/8 size. 790. Very pretty. 790. You will get 4 bangles. It looks like a diamond finish. You will get stones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stones. 4 bangles. Gold look polish. 4 bangles. 790 rupees. 790. 790. 4 bangles. You will get it. You can see the finishing. It is awesome finishing. See, it glitters like diamonds. 4 bangles in between. You can use any your diamond ungaloda gold bangles illa thread bangles or any glass bangles. You can use it in the middle. It will be very, very nice. Such a pretty piece. This is for 790. 790. Is it? This is not silver, ma'am. Family and all super, ma'am. Ilavarasi. Sri Priya, ma'am, it is not silver. Everything is imitation jewelry. Very pretty. 4 bangles, 790 rupees. Very, very pretty and awesome. You can book it. $520 floral design with AD stones. Floral design with AD stone. 520 2 bangles. 520 2 bangles. My set is 1090 Chitra ma'am. Chaitra ma'am, minus 1090 with the beautiful earrings. This is the earrings for my set. This is the earring for my set. 1090 only. 1090. Very pretty. See, this is the 2 bangles. 520. Very pretty. I will show you in back camera. Idla vandi will get nice 1, 2, 3, 5 stones, ruby and emerald stones for 520 2 bangles. 24, 26, 28 available. This is 28. I think this is 28. This is ruby and emeralds. You will get nice stone bangles for 520. 520 rupees. Hello Meenakshi ma'am. 520. Beautiful one. 520. I have showed 2 designs today. Another design I'll show. This is 4 bangles. 790. This is 2 bangles. 520. Super duper designs. Both are very nice and functional use. Very, very pretty. Again, this is a diamond look AD bangles. American diamond stones la kuduthirukanga. Ungalku yeah, thank you Meenakshi ma'am. 2 layers la American diamond stones. You will get nice cubic cut ruby. This is for 790 this bangles. 790 this bangles. See. Hi Ganga Gauri ma'am. 2 lines you will get AD stones, American diamond stones, cubic cut pink color stone. You will get it for 790. 790 rupees. $790. You can book it now. $790. Very, very pretty and classy look. $790. You can book it. So next design, very, very pretty and very awesome. No ma'am, no, we don't have. 1920. All like pretty lovers, you can book this. See, this is a very pretty piece, very awesome. See, super இருக்கும். It's a 2 line. We have got different colors in this. This is with multicolor, that is pink and green. இதுல வந்து I've got green and pink. This is 1920 this set. I will show you, wait. I will wear and show you. Very beautiful piece. See, awesome piece. You will get like this 1920, 2 layers. 2 layers you will get like this. I will remove this, wait. See, this is the 2 layers. See, very pretty. 1920. We have got 3 colors in this. Beautiful earrings, you will get it. This is a very pretty earrings, you will get it. This is the earrings. Illa sir, illa. 1920. This is all gemstones, pink and green combination with the golden balls. You will get 2 layers like this. You will get like this, very pretty piece. 1920 rupees. I have got 3 colors in this. Don't miss it. Very budget friendly. Superb இருக்கும் இந்த pieces. எல்லாமே ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். See, I've got different colors. This is full green. You will get with the earrings. I will post everything in the Facebook. Super இருக்கும். You can visit my page and see all my updates in the page. Okay, see, very pretty. This is green color. 1920. 1920. I've got all 3 colors like this. This is full kemp, multi, full kemp, green and multi. I will show you in back camera, wait. See, this is pink color, 2 layer. You will get beautiful earring for this. 1920. You will get green color, green color. So the which I am wearing is pink and green combination. You will get very pretty set for this. இதுதான் அதோட earrings. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். 2 layers, full traditional look. அதாவது வந்து this workmanship is such a pretty one. See how pretty they have made. See the back finishing. சூப்பரா பண்ணிருக்காங்க. back finishing அவ்வளோ அழகா பண்ணிருக்காங்க. இங்க பாருங்க. and இதோட earrings வந்து சான்ஸே இல்ல. fantastic earrings. Very pretty. You will get fantastic earring with gemstone and green stone, 2 color combination. This is full kemp I have got. Full kemp I have got. This is full kemp. This is full green. Full green. So for all your bookings and all, 7339588688. So please, when you're coming for an enquiry, any products, bangles, illa edhu venalu daivu sedu put your name and your contact number so we can save it. Where are you from? If example you're from Salem, Bangalore, Chennai, anywhere in the world, we do pan India shipping, we do international shipping. only one request, if you are new to Akshvi Trends, kindly mention your name and where are you from. நான் பாம்பேல இருந்து வந்திருக்கேன், கேரளால இருந்து வந்திருக்கேன், தமிழ்நாடுல இருந்து வந்திருக்கேன், தயவு செய்து மென்ஷன் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ நாங்கள் சேவ் பண்ணிட்டு உங்களுக்கு அப்டேட்ஸ் கொடுக்கறதுக்கு, ட்ராக்கிங் கொடுக்கறதுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். ஸோ டோன்ட் வரி, we will meet today in another live beautiful state collections. Stay tuned for Akshvi Trends. Today I have showed you 2 colors in this. See, don't miss it. 1920 only. 2 colors I have showed. 1920. Very very pretty. Come Rakshit. Yeah, Rakshit want to say one hi to you. Hi. ரக்ஷித்தோட வீடியோஸ் நிறைய பேர் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க. அவர் வந்து மாஸ்க் பயங்கரமாக ரிமூவ் எல்லாம் பண்ணி காட்டியிருக்காரு. ஸோ அவரும் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காரு. ஷாப் ஓப்பன் பண்ணல. சேலம் இஸ் இன் லாக்டவுன். ஆஃப்டர் 10 days only we will open the shop. Say hi ரக்ஷித்.
Hi friends.
ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ஆயிட்டீங்களா? ரக்ஷித்தை வச்சு நான் ஒரு மேஷப் பண்ணலான்னு இருக்கேன். பிகாஸ் ஹீ லவ் சிங்கிங். வில் டூ ஒன் என்டர்டெயின்மெண்ட் இன் கம்மிங் வீக். கண்டிப்பாக ரக்ஷித்தை வச்சு ஒரு பியூட்டிஃபுல் லைவ் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ ரக்ஷித்.
Bye.
So you can book this. I've got all different colors in this. 1920 with beautiful earrings as I showed you. This one. Okay, 1920. This is 2 color. This is single colors. Thank you Sanjana ma'am. So book your products now. Thank you Jayasudha ma'am. He has moved out. Ama. Thank you. Keep shopping with Akshvi Trends. For all your bookings, 7339588688. Follow our page for all the product updations. So ella nariya collections post பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கோம். You can follow and shop with us. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet you all in one more beautiful live. Okay.